Google Docs new update, how you can organize your docs content using tab feature. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will see Google Docs new update where you can organize your docs content using the tab feature. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Now, you can add tabs within your single Google Docs just like your browser tabs, where you do not need endless scrolling in your document. Here, you could organize your meeting notes by date. You could create a separate section for research, draft, and final content, and also you could manage multiple lesson plan or chapter in one file using the tab feature in Google Doc. Here, if you navigate on the left hand side, there you'll find your tab section. Click on this three-line icon and here it says I have a tab here. If you click on tab, and now here you can see each tab will act like a mini document within the main doc. Now you could switch between the tabs if you have a single tab, and if you want to add new, you could tap on plus from here and that's gonna add another tab. Now under another tab you could add your content and you could directly switch between your content using the tab without having to scroll through your document. So this will work great for team students and also content creators. So if you're wondering how you can create tracks, head over to insert, then you could simply add, or you could click on tab and then the tab will be automatically created. Now you could manage the content inside your tab. So that's it. That's how you can use the tab feature in Google Docs. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.